Hey guys, hey everyone. I want to talk about the subject of how we have been told that we can be anything we want, that the sky is the limit, that we are so powerful, and where it's been absolutely misunderstood, misused, and it's leading us astray. Whilst the concepts are true, what I'm seeing is people think that the purpose or their whatever they need to do or want to do will just arrive because they can be everything they want to be. They can be anything. And you know what? Too many choices often constrains us more because we don't understand. We don't understand that we still need to do the work. So many times I hear in spiritual circles or also is that you can just be. Yes, the concept is true, but it's misunderstood. Why? Because people think it will just arrive. It will just be there, and that we as human beings, as grounded physical human beings, do not have to do the work. That will somehow, it will just arrive, and somehow we will just know. We will, so often we have this thing of, wow, instead of working just with our mind, it will just land, I will just know, it will just flow. It happens, it really happens, but it happens in response to how you show up. It happens in response to you internally and externally doing the work. What do I mean by doing the work? I mean by physically, not physical work necessarily, although that is part of the thing, but working through your triggers, working through your shadow work, working through what you need to do, your physical body, your labor of love, your what needs to happen in this world. Chop wood, carry water. To understand, to feel when things are in flow, you have to know when if you've always just sat on the side lanes waiting for something to happen, you will never know what it feels like to be in flow, because you would have been flatlined. And that's why I see, and it hurts my heart so much, because I see it especially in the younger people, especially in the younger generation, where they don't know what the next step is, because they've been told a whole lot of stuff, hogwash, out of context, about you are free, everything is just there for you, the sky is your limit, just open your heart. And they actually don't have the tools how to do that. They don't know, and they don't have the ability to actually stoke their own fire, do their own work through their own karma, find the hardships. Yes, it's true, we don't have to have the hardships, but don't start with the stories of we're all just born divine. And although that's true, if you just go on that, you will be here without a reason of why you're coming on this earth. You will be here and you will miss the opportunity of really living into your full potential. And unfortunately, the people and the ones I see hurt are the ones, and it's nobody's fault, but I see it's especially the younger generations. It hurts me, it really hurts me. But it's because we are flying the story of everybody's a winner, everybody is just perfect, and everybody is limitless, without understanding the concept, without understanding the constructs and what is at play. The hard work, the grounded spirituality. So, sending with so much love, but please, I need to have a few more videos on this, and a few more, and really open my heart and voice this. And a lot of us probably need to voice this as well, because otherwise we're in for a tough time. So much love. Bye for now.